What is up, everyone? It's your boy, Smart Side, and today, we are about to blow your minds. I'm talking about making some serious cash, like $100 a day, or even more, using nothing but the power of ChatGPT. Yeah, you heard me right, that amazing AI that everyone's talking about. It's not just for writing poems or answering weird questions anymore. It's a literal money-making machine, and I'm going to show you exactly how to tap into it. Get ready, because this is going to change everything for you. Now, before you click away thinking, oh, this is another one of those complicated tech things I'll never understand, stop right there. The methods I'm about to share are super beginner-friendly. I mean it. You don't need a pile of cash to start, absolutely no prior experience is necessary, and get this, you don't even need to show your face on camera if you don't want to. This is for anyone and everyone who wants to boost their income online without any of the usual headaches. We're breaking down all the barriers today, people. So if you're ready to stop dreaming about making money online and actually start doing it, you're in the perfect place. In this video, I'll show you 5 beginner-friendly ways to make real money with ChatGPT in 2025. We're not talking about pennies here, we're talking about a solid $100 a day. I've done the research, I've seen the potential, and now I'm handing you the keys. Let's go! Alright, first up, and this one is an absolute banger, we're talking about selling written content. Think about it. Every single website, every blog, every online business needs written content. They need articles, they need blog posts, they need website copy that grabs attention and converts visitors into customers. And guess what? Most people either hate writing, don't have time for it, or just aren't very good at it. That's where you and ChatGPT come in to save the day and make some serious bank. This is a goldmine, people, an absolute goldmine. So how does it work? It's ridiculously simple. You use ChatGPT as your superpowered writing assistant, you can give it a topic, a keyword, a style you want, and boom, it spits out high-quality drafts that you can then refine and polish. We're talking about creating amazing articles in minutes, not hours. Imagine churning out multiple blog posts for clients in a single afternoon. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas, outline content, write entire sections, and even rephrase things to make them sound perfect. It's like having a team of professional writers at your beck and call, 24/7 for free. Once you've got this incredible content, where do you sell it? Easy. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are crawling with businesses and individuals desperate for well-written content. You can create gigs offering blog post writing, article creation, website copywriting services, and so much more. Set your prices, showcase some examples that ChatGPT helped you create, and watch the orders roll in. You can start small, build your reputation, and before you know it, you'll have repeat clients and a steady stream of income. Seriously, this is one of the easiest ways to get started. Next up, let's talk social media. Every single business, every influencer, every brand out there needs to be on social media. But guess what? Creating engaging content day in and day out is a massive time suck. They need killer posts, catchy captions, and a content calendar that keeps their audience hooked. Most of them are too busy running their actual business to handle all of that effectively. This is another huge opportunity for you to step in with your new best friend, ChatGPT, and make some serious money. Imagine offering a service where you create an entire month's worth of social media content for a small business. With ChatGPT, this becomes incredibly efficient. You can ask it to generate engaging post ideas for a specific niche, like a local bakery or a fitness coach. Then you can get it to write captivating captions for Instagram, witty tweets for X, or informative posts for LinkedIn. You can even ask it to help you structure a content calendar, planning out what to post and when for maximum impact. Businesses will literally pay you good money to take this off their plate. You can find these clients everywhere. Reach out to local businesses in your area, search for influencers who look like they could use some help, or list your services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even specialized social media marketing Facebook groups. Offer packages like 10 social media posts plus captions or monthly content calendar management. The beauty of this is the recurring revenue potential. Once a business sees how much time and effort you save them and how much better their social media presence becomes, they'll want to keep you around. Alright, this next one might sound a bit techy, but trust me, it's way easier than you think, especially with ChatGPT on your side. We're talking about building and selling AI chatbots. Every business with a website can benefit from a chatbot. They can answer common customer questions 24/7, capture leads, guide users through a website, and so much more. This frees up human employees to focus on more complex tasks and provides instant support to customers, which they absolutely love. The demand for this is exploding. Now, you're probably thinking, Jodas, I'm not a coder. How can I build a chatbot? That's the magic of modern AI tools. While ChatGPT itself is a language model, you can use its intelligence to design the conversation flows, the FAQs, and the personality of a chatbot. Then you can integrate this logic into user-friendly chatbot building platforms, many of which require little to no coding. ChatGPT can help you script out all the possible interactions, brainstorm common customer queries, and even suggest responses that are helpful and engaging. You're basically the architect, and ChatGPT is your brilliant design assistant. Once you've designed a simple but effective chatbot for, say, a local restaurant to handle reservations or answer menu questions, or for an e-commerce store to track orders, you can sell this solution to businesses. You can charge a setup fee and even a small monthly maintenance fee. Think about it. You build it once, or with slight modifications for different clients, and you can sell it multiple times. Approach businesses with a clear proposal showing them how a chatbot can save them time and money or improve customer satisfaction. They'll be amazed at what you can offer, all powered by your smart use of ChatGPT. Who wants to make money while they sleep? I know I do. That's why our fourth method is all about writing and selling ebooks. People are always looking for information, for entertainment, for solutions to their problems, and ebooks are a super accessible way for them to get it. And with ChatGPT, you can become a prolific author without spending years hunched over a keyboard, agonizing over every single word. This is your ticket to creating valuable digital assets that can sell over and over again. Here's the game plan. Use ChatGPT to help you brainstorm compelling ebook ideas in popular niches. Think how-to guides, self-help, fiction, recipes, business advice, anything. Then, use ChatGPT to help you outline the entire book, chapter by chapter. You can even get it to draft the content for each section. Your job is to guide the AI, add your unique insights, edit, and ensure the final product is high quality and provides real value. For the cover, don't sweat it. Use a free and easy tool like Canva to design a professional-looking ebook cover in minutes. No graphic design degree needed. Once your masterpiece is ready, you can sell it on platforms like Gumroad, which is super easy for digital products, or the giant of them all, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Imagine creating an ebook on 10 ChatGPT prompts for small business success, or a beginner's guide to investing. You write it once with significant help from AI, and it can generate sales for months or even years to come. This is the beauty of passive income, and ChatGPT makes it more achievable than ever before. This is literally insane. The potential here is huge. Last but definitely not least, and this one is close to my heart because, well, you're watching a YouTube video right now. We're talking about script writing for YouTube videos. Just like businesses need blog posts, YouTube creators, big and small, need engaging scripts that will keep their audience watching. A good script is the backbone of a successful video. If the script is boring, people click away. It's that simple. And many creators are amazing on camera but struggle with the writing part, or they just don't have the time. This is where you, armed with ChatGPT, can become an absolute lifesaver and a highly paid scriptwriter. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm video ideas, create compelling hooks to grab viewers in the first few seconds, structure the video content for maximum engagement, write out the entire dialogue, and even suggest calls to action. Think about it. You can help creators make better videos, get more views, and grow their channels, and they will happily pay you for that skill. You can specialize in certain niches like gaming, tutorials, vlogs, or business content. So, how do you find these YouTube creators who need your scripting genius? Again, Fiverr is a fantastic place to offer your services. You can also directly reach out to YouTubers via their business email, usually in their About section, or through social media DMs. Send them a polite message. Showcase a sample script you've created with ChatGPT's help, and explain how you can help them save time and improve their content. Many creators are desperate for good scriptwriters. This is a skill that's in super high demand, and with ChatGPT, you can deliver amazing results, fast. Whoa, we just covered 5 incredible, easy ways you can start making $100 a day, or even more, using just ChatGPT in 2025. And the best part? Every single one of these methods is beginner-friendly, requires no upfront investment, no prior experience, and you don't even need to show your face on camera. The power is literally at your fingertips. All you need to do is take action. Pick one method that excites you the most and just start. Don't overthink it, just dive in and learn as you go. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, Jodes, this sounds amazing, but I want a super deep dive into one of these methods. I got you. If you want me to create a full step-by-step tutorial on any of the methods we talked about today, selling written content, social media services, AI chatbots, ebooks, or YouTube scripts, I want you to smash that comment section right now and type, "Show me how," along with the method you're most interested in. If I see enough interest, I will personally make those videos for you. Seriously guys, the opportunity with AI right now is insane, and it's only going to get bigger. Don't get left behind. If this video helped you, if it sparked an idea, if it got you excited, then please do me a huge favor. Hit that like button, make sure you're subscribed with the notification bell on, and share this video with anyone you know who wants to make more money. I'm dropping new AI side hustle tips and money-making strategies every single week, and you don't want to miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's get this bread.